Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today's videos is all about the basics of Autocad that we previously learned. Okay, these videos will be like a summary. Okay, yeah, you can see line. Simply type L and space. You can draw a line. Okay, for polylines POL and space. Draw polyline of inscribed or circumscribed. Okay, and similarly for circle C space you can make circle, and for arc ARC you can use arc, 3-point arc, 2-point arc. Okay, now we can use it here rectangle and polygon, REC for rectangle, POL for polygon, and EL for ellipse. Okay, this is how we make ellipse as well, and hatching for edge space. Picking internal points, double clicking on it and changing the scales. Yeah, you can do it here, change it here scales, or you can edit from here as well. Okay, match properties options as well here. Close it down, and okay, matching scale. Now we can move M space. Okay, we can copy it CO space. Okay, we can draw a rectangle. Okay, little bit smaller. Get little bit. Now we can stretch it. Yeah, can do multiple stretch as well. Multiple stretch. Okay, MS multiple stretch. Selecting this, pressing enter, and stretching it. Okay, you can see multiple stretch. And we can rotate it as well in different directions. Yeah, we can align as well. Yeah, align in our required line. And then we can make mirror image MI space. Okay, need a source object no, or rotating RO space. Okay, rotating option, and then mirror scaling option SC. Okay, in base point increase, or simply keep 2 times. Okay, this here 2 times. Now you can use your 2 different lines. Okay, you can select it, extend this line. Okay, you can press shift and then you can use trim command by holding shift key. Okay, or simply this, select TR for trim this line. Okay. And for using fillet, we are using fillet, and the radius keep it as 6 inches. Selecting first, selecting second, and here is our fillet. Control Z, and then now similarly for camphor, CHA. Okay, selecting first line, selecting second line, and here is our chamfer. Okay, make it as I will make these 3 objects here as block for block B space. Creating objects, naming it as object, enter. Okay, this is our block. Double click on it, click on objects. You can edit here, you can edit here, close editor, save the changes. Okay, and you can select it here and simply explode, or you can select it X for explode. Okay, you can draw, and for construction line you can type XL horizontal. Okay, using horizontal, repeating same command, previous command, pressing space bar, and then now I'm using vertical. Okay, vertical construction line. See here, select it and then erase. Yeah, you can type for text T for text, and you can justify height, and then follow, like, share, and subscribe to civil engineering tips. Okay, right. This is multiple text and write single line text as well. Okay, give height. This is single line text. Okay, okay. Okay, this is 90 degree. Okay, again we are choosing single line text. Give it here single line text. Look out. Okay, now angle will be at 0 degree. Now it will work now. Single line text. Okay, aligned in a line in direction that we can. Okay, line text. Give here dimension DLI for dimension linear. Okay, you can use your quick dimension. Quick time between. Okay, you can change units here by typing units or UN. You can change architecture, change precisions, or simply go into dimension style D, hit enter. You can use a leader as well. Then your line and type leader, selecting it, enter, pin leader. You can draw table as well. Okay, go to table setting. You can change the column, title, header, data. Yeah, you can use it now. And increasing the scale, SC enter. Okay, 10 4 times. Then you can go to layer properties. You can create new layer, rename layer, delete layer, set current. Okay, you can change it off, freeze, and unlock. Okay. Now you can create a rectangle. Now selecting these rectangles, and you can simply type group for G. Okay, this all text becomes group. Into on group, simply type UN. On group here, UNC RUP calculator. PLC, you can find a quick calculator, change conversion, or you can quickly calculate. Okay, then you can use block options. Yeah, so that you can tools, palette, and customize tools bar and Autocad are the various. You can put it on and off. Okay, and then now moving into this right corner, you can customize these icons here, clicking and uncheck this. Okay, can increase here, increase this working space area by clicking it, and here is our printing functions, and can isolate objects, select. Here, go here, isolate object, others, text, hides, activate isolates. Going into here, you can see two out here into and in object isolate. Other objects appear. Scaling, you can change it in layout, and similarly with orthogonal polar snap option, you can turn on and off the grid line. Okay, here is the snap option, you can turn it on before using turning it on. Okay, and then do the layout, creating viewport for viewport MB. Okay, creating viewport, and yeah, again going into MB for B for viewport. Okay, you can see here on off or lock this viewport. working inside this viewport. Okay, working inside the model, double click in it, and work inside the viewport, and side click and Control P for paste set out. PWG PDF, you can use visual layout and use print paper sizes here. You can customize the scale as well. Plot options for transparency, that way line weight, yeah. Apply to layout, okay. This is how you change it here and here. The option, the kids working space area, going into model, you can use here short raster image as well. Here PC, yeah. Here are the other tools, and here are the drawing tools like line, tables, and similarly with dimensions, quick dimensions, linear, aligned arc ordinate, yeah. Express tools to change the text into m text, convert text to m text, and simply you can type uh, AA for area, calculating area, okay. If there is object, pressing enter. If there is object, you can type A for area, O for object, selecting object, pressing enter, okay. Then you can see the area, or simply you can type LI for selecting object, pressing enter. Here you can see the area and perimeter of that particular object. These are the things you learn properly, then it would be easy for starting our drawing. Our next video will be of municipal drawing tutorial. Then like, share, and subscribe to civil engineering tips for learning faster. Peace out.